Wala pa po akong nare-receive, Your Honor, na subpoena to answer the allegation
Colonel.
of LV.
May kaso na ba sa korte?
Wala pa pong nakarating sa amin, sir.
Sa piskal? Di ba nasa piskal na raw eh? Hindi ka ba nakatanggap sa pina from the
As
fiscal
of today, Your Honor, wala pa po ako nare-receive na subpoena para po sagutin yung allegation
Abay,
po.
bilis-bilisan mo, tinuturuan na kita rito dahil kapag hindi mo nasagot yung sa piskal, baka mawawaran ka.
Wala pa po ako nare-receive.
Well, kaya nga, puntahan mo ng piskal. Ito, tinutulungan na kita.
For the record, Mr. Chairman, Senator Tolpo, the one who charged by LB is only named Lisa. He did not know the identity, the whole name, and everything. She did not know. But when news came out, the police officer Lisa identified herself as the person referred to by LB in her sinumpang salaysay. And in fact, she was asked by a reporter what is the physical condition of Lisa, the police officer that you mentioned, and she physically fit with the description mentioned by LB.